each status. Run full lifetime reports of a lead from creation to conversation. Prevent leads from skipping a lead status. How can these requirements be met? Option A. Use field history tracking on the lead status field to track the duration of each status. Use validation rules to prevent status skipping. Option B. Use an Apex trigger to populate custom date fields for each status and use custom formula fields for calculating duration of each status. Option C. Use custom date fields and workflow rules for each status and use custom formula fields for calculating duration of a status. Use validation rules to prevent status skipping. Option D. Use lead history reporting to track changes in the lead status field and use custom reporting fields to calculate status duration. Use validation rules to prevent status skipping. Correct answer is option C. Next question is Universal Containers uses territory management to manage its sales territories. Territory managers and sales representatives are at the same role level in the role hierarchy. Account and opportunity objects are set to private. Which three permissions should be granted to territory managers? Choose three options. Option A. Transfer and delete opportunities assigned to the territory, regardless of who owns the opportunities. Option B. View, edit, transfer and delete accounts assigned to the territory, regardless of who owns the accounts. Option C. View all opportunities associated with accounts in the territory, regardless of who owns the opportunities. Option D. Edit all opportunities associated with accounts in the territory, regardless of who owns the opportunities. Option E. Transfer all opportunities associated with accounts in the territory, regardless of who owns the opportunities. Correct answer is option B, C, and D. Next question is which two statements are true regarding Salesforce customer community members? Choose two options. Option A. Their reputation level must be same across all communities of which they are members. Option B. They use the Ideas tab to submit, comment on, and vote for ideas. Option C. They find crowdsourced answers and knowledge articles to resolve a support issue. Option D. They must belong a company's internal community to participate in chatter collaboration. Correct answer is option B and option C. Next question is Universal Containers uses a custom object to track customer complaints. The company wants to have a field on the custom object where they can include a reference to another complaint. Which type of relationship can be used to accomplish this? Option A. Master detail. Option B. Hierarchical. Option C. Junction. Option D. Lookup. Correct answer is option D. Next question is the marketing department at Universal Containers regularly changes the page layout requirements for its custom marketing objects. The VP of marketing has asked the administrator for permission to configure only these objects. What can the administrator do to meet this request? Option A. Grant the VP of Marketing the ability to log in as a user who is an administrator. Option B. Create a custom profile with edit permission on the custom marketing objects and assign to the VP of Marketing. Option C. Enable the marketing user permission on the user record for the VP of Marketing. Option D. Set up the VP of Marketing as a delegated administrator for the custom marketing objects. Correct answer is option D.